Imagine riding through the city and suddenly spotting what looks like a cartoon camper rolling down the street. People stop. Phones come out. Cars slow down. And then you realize this isn't a cartoon. It's real. It's a fully functional camper RV built on a tricycle platform by artist Kevin Cyr. And it might be one of the most creative homes on wheels you've ever seen. Kevin Cyr isn't just building vehicles. He's building moving art. His camper RV tricycle looks like something pulled straight out of an animated movie. Oversized, colorful, slightly exaggerated, and completely unforgettable. But here's the twist. It actually works. It's rideable. It's livable. And it challenges everything we think we know about our RVs at first glance. The proportions feel almost unreal. The camper body is tall and boxy, sitting on 3 wheels like a giant urban snail carrying its shell. The front wheel leads confidently, while the 2 rear wheels support a compact but detailed camper structure. Every panel, window, and trim piece is crafted with intention. It's not mass-produced. It's not factory-made. It's hand-built personality. And that's what makes this camper RV so fascinating. Unlike traditional RVs that are designed purely for comfort and utility, Kevin Cyr's creation blurs the line between function and imagination. It looks playful, almost surreal, yet underneath the artistic design is thoughtful engineering. The frame is solid. The weight distribution is carefully balanced. The structure is built to withstand real-world movement. Now imagine cruising this down a busy street. You're not just traveling, you're performing. Heads turn instantly. Kids point in excitement. Adults smile in disbelief. It sparks curiosity everywhere it goes. In a world full of ordinary vehicles, this thing feels alive. But let's talk about the camper itself. Despite its artistic appearance, the camper RV is cleverly designed. The body features small windows that let in natural light, giving it a cozy, inviting vibe. The compact size makes it perfect for urban exploration, art shows, festivals, or slow scenic rides through town. It's not about speed. It's about presence. And that's the beauty of it. This isn't an RV meant for racing down highways at 70 miles per hour. It's meant to be experienced. Every ride becomes an event. Every stop becomes a conversation. It transforms simple movement into storytelling. Kevin Cyr is known for capturing urban vehicles in his paintings, delivery trucks, old vans, campers, focusing on their character and imperfections. So when he builds a camper RV tricycle, you can see that artistic mindset in every detail. It feels slightly exaggerated, like a 3D painting brought to life. The textures, the lines, the playful proportions, they all give it that almost illustrated look. It feels nostalgic and futuristic at the same time. Now think about what this represents. In today's world, RV culture is booming. People want freedom. They want mobility. They want homes on wheels that let them escape rent, escape routine, and explore. But Kevin Cyr's camper RV takes that idea and flips it. Instead of building something sleek and modern, he builds something expressive, something bold, something that makes you feel. It reminds us that travel isn't just about destination. It's about experience. It's about creativity. It's about turning the ordinary into extraordinary. Picture parking this camper by the beach at sunset. The sky turns orange. The tiny windows glow from the inside. People walking by stop to admire it. Conversations start. Photos get taken. In that moment, it's not just transportation, it's connection. And here's something even more interesting. Because it's built on a tricycle base, it feels intimate. Traditional RVs can feel massive and intimidating. This feels approachable, friendly, almost like it has a personality. There's also something powerful about its size. It challenges the idea that bigger is always better. You don't need a 40-foot motorhome to feel free. Sometimes, a compact, creatively designed space can inspire even more joy. The craftsmanship behind it deserves attention too. Building a stable camper structure on 3 wheels requires serious planning. Balance is everything. The center of gravity has to be precise. Materials have to be lightweight yet durable. It's not just art. It's smart engineering disguised as whimsy. And that's what keeps people watching. Because at first, you're drawn in by how unusual it looks. But then you start appreciating how thoughtfully it's made. It's functional art. It moves. It breathes. It interacts with the environment. Imagine owning something like this. Every errand becomes an adventure. Every ride becomes a mini parade. You're not blending into traffic. You're redefining IT. IT also makes you rethink minimalism. What do you really need to feel at home? a small sheltered space, a place to rest, a place to dream. Kevin Cyr's camper RV proves that home isn't about square footage. It's about character. And let's be honest, in a world dominated by identical vehicles rolling off assembly lines, there's something refreshing about seeing a machine that feels human, imperfect, expressive, unique. This camper RV isn't trying to compete with luxury motorhomes packed with high-tech gadgets. It's telling a different story. It's saying creativity matters, personality matters, art matters, and maybe that's why it sticks in your mind long after you see it. You don't just remember the shape. You remember how it made you feel. Curious, inspired, a little bit happier. That's the magic of Kevin Cyr's camper RV Tricycle. It's not just a vehicle. It's a statement, a moving sculpture, a reminder that imagination doesn't have to stay on canvas. It can roll down the street. The next time you think about RV life, think beyond the ordinary. Think beyond polished chrome and oversized slide-outs. Think about what freedom really looks like. Maybe it looks like 3 wheels, a handcrafted camper shell, and a fearless idea brought to life. Because sometimes the most powerful journeys don't start with horsepower. They start with creativity.